Jesus Christ died on the cross to give us the gift of righteousness. He became our sin that we might become His righteousness. He was cursed that we might be blessed. He was made poor at the cross that we might be rich. He wore the crown of thorns so that we can have the crown of peace. And yet we've added to the gospel. It's always Jesus plus something. It's not enough to be saved. You must repay back everything that you have taken. If you're a thief, you must restore everything you have stolen. It's virtually impossible. Can you imagine the thief at the cross when Jesus was nailed there? And the thief turns to Jesus and says, Lord, remember me when you come into your kingdom. And Jesus says to him, I would save you if only you will make restitution. The thief says, I would, Lord, but I'm kind of stuck. No, that wasn't the way it works. He said, Lord, remember me. Today you shall be with me in paradise. Hallelujah! This is our God. This is our King.
If you were blessed by this video, please feel free to comment on what spoke to you, hit the like button, or share this with a friend who needs encouragement. Don't forget to subscribe if you don't want to miss out on any of my latest videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.